for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, power locks, CD player, power convenience group, compass, security alarm, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, Uconnect hands-free group. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.